What if you could create any voice you imagine just by typing it in plain English? Control exactly how it feels: confident, emotional, persuasive. Design a voice that matches your brand personality just by typing in plain English. And generate everything from video scripts to multi-speaker podcast voices and more in seconds. No templates, no duplicate voices, no robotic outputs, just 100% unique, human-like voices designed by you. Sounds futuristic, right? But this is exactly what AI Talker does, because here's the reality. Voice content is everywhere. YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, ads, podcasts, courses. Everything is powered by voice, but there's one big problem no one is talking about. Since the AI revolution, everyone has started using AI voices. And honestly, most of them sound terrible, robotic, flat, emotionless. And the moment people hear it, they scroll. And if you've tried creating voice content, you already know how painful it is. You start with a script, then test voice tools, switch voices, tweak settings. Still not satisfied? Then you hire a voice artist. Pay $50, $100, $200. Wait for delivery. Ask for revisions. Wait again. And after all that, you still need editing, music, syncing, using multiple tools, multiple subscriptions, and hours of your time. So what happens? You create less content. You delay campaigns. You stop scaling. Not because you don't want to, but because the system is broken. But here's what's exciting. We're entering a voice-first economy, and the demand for voice content is exploding, which means whoever can create better voice content faster wins. So instead of fixing this broken workflow, we rebuilt it completely from scratch, not by improving voices, but by changing how voices are created. Introducing AI Talker, the world's first AI voice engine that lets you design completely new voices using plain English, control emotion, match your brand, and generate high-converting voice content in under 60 seconds. Now, instead of just telling you, let me show you. Here's what AI Talker can actually do.
The future of communication is AI-driven. AI Talker makes it easy to generate voices that sound real and feel human. That's a meaningful shift.
AI Talker simplifies voice creation. You type your idea, and it delivers realistic, expressive audio in seconds. That's where things get interesting.
AI is changing how we communicate. With AI Talker, creating natural, human-like voices becomes incredibly simple. It's fast, scalable, and surprisingly powerful.
Tried that AI talking tool?
Yeah, it sounds real.
Like human?
Multiple voices, emotions, everything.
That's insane.
Just type, it creates it.
I need this.
Try it, you won't go back.
AI Talker vereinfacht die Erstellung von Stimmen. Du gibst einfach deine Idee ein und erhältst in Sekunden realistischen, ausdrucksstarken Ton. Hier wird es wirklich interessant.
Before you think this is just another AI voice tool, these are not pre-made voices. These are not clones. These are not templates. These are custom-built voices generated from scratch. And the best part? All these voices were designed in just 3 easy steps. Here's how simple it is. Step 1. Describe the voice you want. Confident male, deep tone, calm authority. Step 2. Add tone as calm, confident. Elegant style, primary use case in luxury ads. Brand storytelling. Step 3. Click generate, and instantly, you get a completely unique, human-like voice, ready to use. No recording, no editing, no guesswork. All this was possible with AI Talker's powerful features, such as first feature, prompt to AI voice creation. Just describe any voice in plain English, like calm British female, soft tone, storytelling style. And AI Talker instantly creates 100% unique voice as per your imagination. No templates, no duplicates, unlimited unique voices. Preview in seconds. Second feature, emotion control engine. Want it more persuasive, urgent, calm? Just type what type of emotion you want and control the intensity as per your needs. AI Talker instantly makes your voice content feel real. Third feature, AI Talker Brand Studio. This never-seen-before feature designs and generates an exclusive brand voice that matches your brand's personality. All you have to do is paste your website or product URL, and AI Talker delivers your brand voice. Fourth feature, multi-speaker system. This powerful feature puts your podcast content growth on steroids by allowing you to create real conversations between 2 or more speakers. The best part? You can assign different voices to each speaker. Fifth feature, Scene Mode. Our advanced AI tech lets you generate a perfect voice based on your scene requirements. Just describe your scene and AI auto-adjusts delivery for each scenario. Sales, podcast, story, news. Sixth feature, voice cloning system. Want to replicate a voice? Clone any voice. Quality score ensures best output. High fidelity, studio level results. Apart from these unique features, there are so many powerful features, like you can generate voiceovers in 30+ languages. You can generate highly engaging scripts for videos, podcasts, courses, or even ads. AI Talker delivers studio-quality audio for any type of content you can imagine. With AI Talker, you can create high-converting ads, build VSLs that sell, launch podcasts, create courses, generate product demos, or start your own voiceover service and charge anything as you wish. Look, the AI voiceover market is already worth $3.8+ billion in 2025 and projected to reach $105+ billion by 2035. Basically, AI Talker is your golden ticket to $105 billion voiceover industry. Now here's the crazy part. This isn't $97 per month, not even $47 per month. Today, you get access for a very small one-time fee. No monthly fees, no limits, no hidden costs. But this is a launch-only offer. If you leave now, you might have to pay monthly later, or a much higher price. So here's what I'd do. Click the button below, get instant access to AI Talker, and start creating unique, human-like, high-converting voice content for yourself or for clients in under 60 seconds. So don't wait. Go and buy right now.